How to make WhatsApp poll. First, open the app and navigate to a group chat, as polls can only be created in group conversations. Tap the attachment icon, paperclip in the text input area, and then select the poll option. If you don't see this option, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Next, type your poll question in the Ask a Question field and add the options in the Option 1 and Option 2 fields. You can add more options by tapping Add Option. Once you've set up the question and options, tap Send to share the poll with the group. Participants can then vote by tapping on their preferred option, and the results will be visible in real time, showing how many votes each option has received. You can view the results at the top of the chat, and participants can change their vote until the poll ends. Polls are anonymous and can be created only in group chats. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.